it is T here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. If you were an oldie but goodie, thanks for coming back to the family. Other than that, I'm going to actually be doing I'm going to try to do the mini twist, guys, but don't kill me if it doesn't come out too small. But I'm working with very limited time right now, so I'm going to try my best to make it mini, see how long it's going to work, how long it's going to actually last. I haven't twisted my hair in quite some time. I usually just braid it because it's just been a lot easier and I can maintain it a lot longer when it's braided. But so I haven't done a twist in a long time. So I've been trying to retain length by not having to comb my hair too often. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and just start twisting my hair, do it in like little, I guess, mini twist. Like I said, I don't know how small I'm going to be able to do it because I'm with limited time here. So don't kill me if it doesn't come out too small, but I'm trying here, guys. I'm trying. So, and you see I'm struggling too with these, trying to clip these three plaits together. But yeah, so this is freshly washed hair. I just came out the shower, just washed and shampooed and conditioned my hair. So now I'm going to try to do the mini twist with my hair, which I've never attempted. I've seen it all the time from other YouTube influencers. And I'm like, oh, it looks so cute, but do I really have the patience to do that? So I guess we will find out. So here we go. So I'm gonna actually first, of course, start off with the bottom, and I'm just gonna work my way to the top. And I think I have about 8. I have my hair in four sections, obviously, and each section I have it in 2s. So I'm gonna see if I can part and make these sections smaller. So let's see how that goes. So I'm going to use this African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisturize and Define Curling Cream. And this has no it has no parabens, mineral oil, sulfates. So that's why I like that. And I'm going to use my Flaxseed Don't Shrink Elongating Curling Gel and Jackie's. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to basically use these 2 products and start twisting away. See these curls, guys? Oh, wow. It's beautiful. So now I'm going to just put a little bit, that's too much, a little bit of some gel. It smells so good. I don't know if you guys have ever used that Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink gel. It smells so good. Oh, I love it. I should try some of their other products. I haven't tried any of the other products yet, but I should definitely try it because I do like it. Their elongating gel. So let me try see if they have a souffle or curling cream or a smoothie that I can use for my hair. So I'm gonna try to do this. I think I left my other clip in the shower when I just washed my hair, so. It sometimes looks really small when you're twisting it like this, but by the time it dries, it gets a little chunkier. So I'm just going to twirl it at the ends, and there you go. So that's one down. 1,000 more to go. So I should have timed myself to see how long, what time I start and what time I end, just to see how long it took me. Okay guys, 42 minutes later, I am completely done with the back, and I'm going to turn around so I can show you guys what the back looks like. Hopefully I'm not outside of the frame. So this is the back. This is my mini twist. I did it, guys. Hopefully it lasts for at least a week and a half. So that's the back. So it took me 42 minutes to do that, which is not too bad. I did some a little bit bigger than I wanted to. Oops, I gotta do this one over. Yeah, so I did them, actually, maybe, I think I'm gonna do these two smaller. So yeah, like I was saying, it only took me 42 minutes, which is not bad. I thought it would have taken me longer to finish the back, to do the back, I should say. But it wasn't bad, you know. Once you get a groove on how to do it, you just it's just twisting, you know. Twisting to me is a lot faster than braiding. At least for me it is. So I'm just gonna take, as I'm twisting my hair, I was like, oh my gosh, that's, getting it done is great. But when I have to undo this, it's going to be another task. But like I said, hopefully it can last at least, I would love 2 weeks, but at least if it can give me at least a week and a half. I'll be fine with that. So I'm just going to do this one a little bit smaller because it was a little bit on the chunkier side, so I just wanted to redo it so at least it blends in with the other twist that's much smaller. So yeah, so that's it. So I'm going to continue to twist away. So hopefully it's about 1:30. I started at 12:50. I started actually at 12:50 is when I started. So it's about 1:35 now. So it took me a little more than 40 minutes to do the back. So, oops. So hopefully I can, the top part of it will be just as easy to do. So, yep, that's it. So I'll be joining you guys again when I'm finished with the whole process. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye. An hour and 15 minutes later. So these are the twists. I'm just pinning them down so it can stay flat to the roots. And all I have left is just this to do, and I am done. The back is done. I have it clipped back at the bottom so that everything kind of lays flat. So this is it, guys. This is my mini twist. So, oh, not too bad, not too bad. I'm trying to see if I can do this. I should be finished by at least, to make this completed in about, I would say 2 hours. So this should be a 2-hour project. So like I said, I just have these two parts to do, and then that's it, I'm done. So here I am, just completing the last part of it. Like I said before, I'm just gonna add some of my shea, what is it called? The flaxseed, the curling cream. And I'm using my small teeth comb just to comb through it to make sure I get all the knots out. And then I'm going to just take this part and make it into two. And I'm just going to pin this up to the side and just start twisting on this one. Can't believe I'm doing this. And guys, I'm doing this standing. So I've been doing this for the last hour and maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes standing. So my back is like feeling it right now. I don't know if you guys can hear, but my next door neighbor, he's a drummer, a musician in a band. So he's practicing right now. So if you hear any drumming in the background, that's what it is. So just get all the nuts out. Make sure everything is smooth before I start twisting. Give you guys a close-up. Alrighty, that's it. So I'm going to continue with this section, and then that will just leave me with this. So I'm just going to part this actually into half and just do the same thing. So I have my curling cream, apply to the front, back, and scalp. And I gotta get some for the ends. Can't forget your ends, guys. And I'm gonna add some of my Aunt Jackie elonging gel. Get the edges too. And then part this section. Give it a little comb. And I use a small teeth comb because it's so small that I can just glide through it to smooth out my hair. Because doing that little pieces with a wide tooth comb just wouldn't make sense. So I'm just twisting it here. Oops, you guys can't see it. Need to duck down. You guys hear that? My stomach is like literally growling right now. So I'm trying to make this fast so I can go eat. Get to the very end, just give it a little twirl. And I'll probably make this into two. Yeah, I'll make this into two. And since I already have the curling cream and the gel, I'm just gonna glide through the comb with my hair with the comb and just twist this. This one's actually kind of small, but that's okay. This is my stomach. Can you guys hear that? You hear my stomach growling? I hope not. I am done, guys. Look, I got all these mini twists in. Oh my God. It took me under 2 hours. Under 2 hours, guys. Oh my gosh, you might see some silver clips here. I'm just using those to hold my roots down. So I'm actually gonna put, where did I put those pins? I just had some pins in. Huh, I don't even know what I did with it. That's weird. But anyway, so yeah, I am done. Oh, here they are. I am done, so I'm just gonna clip the very first part of it down so it keeps the roots down. And yeah, it's done. And it's not like dripping wet. Oops. It's not like it's dripping wet or anything. So I am good. So I'm going to leave it like this for the rest of the day. And the day is still young. I can enjoy the rest of my day. Let me see. Hopefully I don't get out of of view. But this is the back. Yeah. And yeah, so this is it. So it looks nice and hydrated. It's nice and clean. And that's it. I did it. I did my mini twist. Listen, guys, I've been trying to figure out if this is something that I even had the time or energy to do. And I did it. So I can say I did it. I did it, guys. So I am happy I did it. I'm happy it's done. So I'm just putting these clips in to hold down my roots so it doesn't get too frizzy. Yep, and that's it. So I am going to go get some food and enjoy the rest of my day with my family. So yeah, these are my mini twists. And I am happy to say that I like how it turned out. And hopefully I can say that it can last for at least 2 weeks, if not a week and a half. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't tried the mini twist on your natural hair yet and you're thinking about it, obviously because you're watching this video, definitely go ahead and give it a try. You don't have to do it too small. I mean, you can do it small, like mine. I've seen it done smaller than mine, and obviously I don't think I can do it any smaller than this. I think the size that I have it in is absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna just, next time I do it, I will continue to do this length, this size. It's ideal. It's not big, it's not small, it's just perfect, but still small enough where it can last a long time. So that's it. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thanks for joining with me again, and look forward to seeing you guys all join in with my family on the next video. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.